Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lastly, we have discussed of caste system. Today we are going to discuss characteristics of caste system, or you may say features of caste system. नंबर 1 इसका है, इसमें कास्ट सिस्टम में जो है इसमें मेंबरशिप इज बेस्ड ऑन बर्थ, इसमें मेंबरशिप बर्थ पर बेस होती है. नो वन कैन डिटरमाइन his caste with his wish. Membership of caste is based on birth. Social status of a person was determined by his caste in which he took birth. नंबर सेकंड है restrictions on social relations. इसमें जो social relations होते हैं ये फ्री नहीं होते हैं, बल्कि इनमें restrictions होते हैं. Society was divided in different castes. Sense of higher and lower exists in caste system. Of higher castes, cities and people of lower caste lived out of the city or village, and they keep themselves away from higher castes. नंबर 3 है इसमें restrictions on eatables. इसमें restrictions eatables पर भी होती है. There were some clear rules in caste system which tells us that with which caste a person can keep his social relations and with which caste he can keep feeding relations. Whole food was divided in two parts, kacha food and pakka food. Kacha food was that which is made with the help of water, and pakka food is that which is made with the help of oil. General rule was that the man can accept kacha food only from the members of his own caste or from any Brahman or from his guru. That is why most of the castes were accepting kacha food given by Brahmanas, and Brahmanas did not accept kacha food from any other caste. And fourth one इसमें है restrictions on occupation. Occupation पर भी इस कास्ट सिस्टम में यहाँ इस occupation पर भी restrictions होते हैं. According to the rules of caste system, castes had their specific traditional occupation. Person had to adopt the occupation of his own caste, even if the other occupations were more profitable. But some occupations were free to be adopted by anyone, such as trading, agriculture, job in military, etc. Even many castes were free to adopt any occupation, but many castes adopted their traditional functions like carpenter, blacksmith, barber, potter, etc. And number fifth one है restrictions on marriage. Caste system was divided and different castes were divided into subcastes. These subcastes were restricting its members to marry out of its group. Endogamy is the important feature of caste system, means to marry in his own group. यहाँ endogamy ज़्यादा हो चलती है. Sixth one is segmental division of society. Hindu society was divided into many parts by caste system, and the status, place and function of every part were determined by it. Because of this segmental division of society, the area of interaction for a person is generally restricted to his own caste. Panchayats gave punishment to the person who broke the rules of caste. And number 7th one है इस caste system में endogamy चलती है. There were strict restrictions related to marriage. Marriage के मुतालिक यहाँ strict instructions होते हैं. One was not allowed to marry out of his caste, but he has to marry in his own subcaste. यानी इस मैरिज के मुतालिक यहाँ ज़्यादा restrictions होते हैं. If anyone was breaking this rule, then he was generally thrown out of his caste. That is all about the features or the characteristics of this caste system. Thank you.